Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. It's really great to be doing another video for you today. So today guys, basically what I want to share with you guys is some cash out that I have from these earning apps. So some of them I have like a little bit more earnings to do before I'm able to cash out, and some of them of course I can go ahead and cash out now. Some of them I can cash out right now, but today rather I can cash out today rather, but the time, they give you a specific time when you have to cash out, so I have to wait until that time comes before I can cash out. So let's just get into the some of them that I have. So yes guys, so the first one that I have that I can basically um do a cash out today is, I have to go into my survey app, surveys. Okay, here, and it's called IPSOS I survey. So let's go straight into this one and let's see if we're able to cash out. Yeah. So if you're new to my channel, basically what I do here is share with you guys how I earn online. So if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and click the bell icon and also the subscribe button. And if you find value in this video, go ahead and give me a like also. So yes guys, so we're in my account right now. We're gonna go to the reward section, and of course we're gonna scroll down to PayPal digital rewards, and I'm gonna go straight to PayPal. Okay, let's go over to money transfer. Okay, yeah, so here we are in PayPal. So I'm wondering if I should keep my earnings and take out $15 PayPal funds, or just take out the $5 right now. But I'm gonna take out the $5 because I have some stocks to buy. So I don't like, yeah, I'm gonna take out the $5 right now because I have some stocks to buy, and I have um some a little bit amount of money in my PayPal which I can transfer over. So I'm just waiting for that so I can do that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just do everything and withdraw the money, and then I'll come back. Yeah. So as you guys can see, basically I have sent my order for my money. So they asked me to go into my email to confirm it. So I'll be doing that. Yeah, I just get the email right now. So yeah, so if I go back, you guys can see that I have money will be going to my PayPal account. So yes guys, so what I want to do next is to go into some, so I have the Bling financial. I showed you guys, I think yesterday. I had 3 days, a couple hours, or not really, don't remember. I think it was 3 days and a couple hours to cash out. Now I think about, I have a hour or two. So I'm sharing it with you guys. I haven't cashed this one out yet, but I will be in the next 3 hours and 37 minutes. You can see right here up here where the stars are. So yeah, I will be taking out PayPal money, of course. So yeah, because I needed to buy some stocks. I have some stocks. My portfolio has fall a little bit in percentage, so I just want to go ahead and take up some of my favorite um shares in companies, some more shares in those my favorite companies. So yeah, so yes guys, I do have some Givvy Givvy cash out. So after I do all these Givvy cash out that I have, I will be going and showing you guys how I earn on Payeer app. But first, I have to check, guys, I have a whole lot of Givvy cash out. You see all these apps right here, they all have 39 cents in there for me to cash out. So I have to get on these fast so I can start on my Payeer app. So this is my Bitcoin cash giveaway, and I'm gonna just show you guys how I collect my earnings. So every hour they give you 2 free spins, and you can go ahead and get more spins at the bottom here, as you can see, but I just go ahead and take it just because. So I just go ahead basically and take what they're giving to me just because it's more kind time consuming, because if I go ahead and try to get more spin, I will have to watch a ad, and uh, sometimes when I get a low, like when it's near to my cash out, that's the time I go ahead and get more spins. But for now, I just stick to what I have here. With this app, I really don't earn by myself. I do earn with referrals. So let's go into my referrals to show you guys. Yeah, so I do have 19 referrals. So yeah, I don't earn by myself. So because of that, I'm able to cash out every week, even if I'm not really, because I earn from referrals. So yeah, so that's what I want to share with you guys today. If there's any questions, you can go ahead and link in the comment section below. And if there's anything that you are interested in, it will be in my description down below. So yes, guys. So before I go, guys, I just want to say, always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.